Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. I am so happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to draw a flower, but not any kind of flower. Did you know that some people eat the seeds of this flower as a snack? It blooms in the summer and the fall. It loves the sun. Can you guess what it is? You might have seen it in fields or perhaps your own garden. It can be very tall or very short like us. That's right. Today, we'll be drawing a sunflower. So grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. We are going to start at the top with the flower's head. Let's start by drawing a full circle. Inside our shape, draw smaller circles. Some circles can be smaller than others. All these inner circles are our seeds. Great job, everyone! Did you know that each sunflower contains almost 2,000 seeds? Now, time to draw our petals. All around our main circle, start drawing 8 small semicircles, one after the other, from right to left in a circle. Each small semicircle represents a petal. You can also do it your way and add as many petals as you like. It's up to you. That looks great! The flower's head and petals are complete. Now, on to our stem. In between the 2 lowest petals, draw 2 straight lines next to each other that go from top to bottom. Both lines should start and end at the same level. Do you know what we call 2 similar lines placed that go in the same direction next to one another? Parallel lines. Exactly! Your flower is really starting to come to life. Did you know? Young sunflowers follow the sun all day, but the older ones just look east to watch it rise. Then, on the left side of your stem, draw your leaf. Your leaf should start and end on your stem. It should have an oval shape with a pointy edge, similar to an egg. Your leaf should be a little tilted to the left. Then, you can erase the base of the stem that joins with the leaf, so that the leaf doesn't look separate from the rest of our sunflower. I am so impressed! Inside your leaf, draw a small line that follows the pointy edge to the center of the base. Add to its left and to its right side 2 small lines going upwards, like the branches of a tree. Just like that. Your flower already looks beautiful. Now that we drew our stem and leaf, let's draw our base. It's very simple. At the bottom right point of our stem, draw a small curve from left to right, just like that. Do the same on the bottom left point of our stem by drawing a small curve from right to left. Finally, draw one straight line that joins the bottom point of one curve and the bottom point of the other. Did you know that water enters a flower through its stem? And so, to keep a flower alive, it is important that we don't forget to water our plants, because water and sun are like food to our flowers. Now, our drawing needs a splash of color. You can follow our suggestions or choose your own colors. It's up to you. Did you know that sunflowers can be of different colors other than yellow? For our flower, we will be using brown, dark brown, yellow, green, and dark green. First, use the brown crayon to color the heart of our flower. Color around the smaller circles. That looks good. Now, take your darker brown crayon and color inside the smaller circles. Then, use the yellow crayon to color inside the petals. No wonder this flower is called a sunflower. It really looks like a small sun. Time to use our greens. Take your green crayon to color inside the stem and the leaf all the way down to the base. Did you know that the color green is a symbol of spring and life? Now, all that's left is to add a little bit of texture on our leaf. Grab your dark green pencil and inside your leaf, shade the lines we drew in earlier. And voila! Wow! You have all drawn such beautiful flowers! Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us!
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channel.